back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my secret. Yes, as you already saw in the title of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I use at night, which is my moisturizer to minimize the wrinkles and to also make your face look refreshing. And what I use at night is my sweet almond oil. I use this sweet almond oil from the La Cruz brand, and you can find this product at CVS, Target, Red, any of those stores. You can actually find this product, and it only costs $3.99 if I'm not wrong. If anything, probably $4.99. So how I use this little thing, I use it at night every single day. So what I do, I end up cleaning up my face, removing my makeup like always, and then I end up applying this little oil in my face. I made a video here which I'll be uploading as I'm talking of how I actually apply this oil in my face. Now if you're gonna be using this thing to moisturize your skin and to minimize your wrinkles, make sure that you're not allergic to almond oil or almonds, because I know a lot of people are allergic to almonds or some kind of oil or seeds, okay, or nuts. So I don't want you guys to end up having an allergic reaction using this. So first, find out if you're not allergic to these. If you can eat almonds, then most likely you're not allergic to the almond oil, and then you can go ahead and apply in your face. Also, when applying this into your face, make sure that you apply the oil away from your eyes. You don't want to apply any oil close to your eyes because you can get eye irritation, and you don't want that. So again, how I apply this, I apply it every single night when I go to sleep. So if you have a very dry skin, then you want to go ahead and use this so it can hydrate your skin. And if you have like wrinkles, then you want to go ahead and use this so obviously it can minimize your wrinkles. But if you have acne, I think you don't want to use this because it might irritate your skin. If you have acne, it might make it even worse. Alright, only for people who have dry skin and who have wrinkles, they probably should be using this almond oil. So the way how I do this is that I go ahead and, of course, like I said, remove my makeup, and then I apply one layer of oil in my face, all over my face. And then if I see that my skin, it was very thirsty and had actually drinked, or soaked in all the oil, then I go ahead and grab another second layer and I apply it in my face. And then if I see that it's still not oily enough because my skin has actually absorbed the oil again, then I apply a third layer, and so forth. That's what I do. So I want to make sure that I go to sleep with an oily face. So that way when I wake up next day in the morning, my face is going to feel nice and juicy, and you can see that your wrinkles, had kind of diminished. And not only that, but then you can see your face looking very fresh and very moisturized and hydrating. You'll be able to see that if you try to do it today or tomorrow. You'll be able to see the result immediately. And the third day, you'll be able to see how different your skin actually looks by using this little thing. So I love using almond oil for my skin to try to minimize the wrinkles on my face and to give me that juicy, refreshing skin. And so far, I love it. I use it every single night, and that's the reason why I'm making this video for you guys. If you guys are looking to trying to find something that it can actually help you and minimize your wrinkles, or make you improve your dry skin, and make you look a little bit more fresh and appearance, then you want to go ahead and give a try to almond if you don't have any allergic reaction to almond oil. Okay. And I think that's about it. That's all I wanted to go ahead and share in regarding to my tip or my little secret of trying to keep my skin young forever using the almond oils. I hope this video was actually useful to you guys. Remember, you can find or buy this little almond oil on CVS, Target, Red, and any in the areas where they have Hispanic products. Basically this is used to do massage, but you can use it also, of course, it says there, moisturizer in your face. So I hope this video was useful and you actually liked this video. If you did, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Also, go ahead and check out my website, which is called www.ChicaView.com, and then you'll be able to find beautiful jewelry, affordable jewelry like this one that I'm wearing right now. And also, if you want to go ahead and see exactly what I'm doing, instead of waiting for you guys to upload a video, you can go ahead and just follow me in my social medias, which is my Instagram account and my Snapchat, and my Facebook as well as ChicaView. or Soy ChicaView. In Soy ChicaView, you'll be able to see my Instagram account that I'm uploading pictures of me applying makeup. And ChicaView, you'll be able to see the account where I'm actually uploading videos of new merchandise, of products that I'm currently selling in my website. So anyways, that's that for today. I hope you actually like this video, and once again, if you did, go ahead and share with your friends if you think this might be useful to any of your friends. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're a new person who stopped by to my channel, I hope you like this content, and so I hope you subscribe. And also, if you're a continuing follower of my channel, thank you so much for being a supporter of my channel and following me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'll be uploading more videos of tips like this and product reviews of stuff that I use that I really truly recommend. They're very affordable, where you don't have to spend a fortune, and also of makeup reviews of products that, if whether they're worth it or not, eyeshadow tutorials. And also remember, I upload videos in regarding to app tutorials, apps that actually are useful for you guys to probably use, all those apps that you see that other YouTubers or Instagram people are using and you wonder which is the app. Well, I upload videos here on those apps as well, on how to use them and what type of apps are those, as well as dream videos. So if you ever had a dream and you want to know exactly what that dream meant, you will also be able to find, dream videos here on my channel, because my channel consists of a variety of things, not just of one thing. And you will be able to find a playlist of each of the things that I actually just went ahead and explained to you guys, so that way you'll be able to see it and find it in one little subject line, instead of trying to figure out which video is which video. You can go ahead and just look into my playlist and you'll be able to see the entire section of all the stuff of that category that I have uploaded. So enough talking, that's about it. I think I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much again for following me, for those who follow me, and for those who just stopped by. Thank you for stopping by. And if you like this channel, then subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I see you until then. Bye bye.